Hi guys, so I just thought I'd shoot this video for anyone who's struggling to make paid advertising work for them. You're struggling to consistently and predictably generate sales and new customers from your paid advertising campaigns, and I want to make you aware of what I believe the main problem to be. And the main problem is this: it's basically the big marketing idea or marketing hook that you're presenting in your marketing funnel and paid advertising campaigns is just off. So basically your audience has seen your marketing hook before, doesn't interest them, and hence they never engage in your marketing campaign, they never see your offer, and hence why your sales are either inconsistent or you're struggling to generate sales at all. So what's the one thing we must do to ensure that our marketing funnels, marketing campaigns, and paid advertising campaigns generate consistent and predictable sales day after day? Well, you must present a really compelling big marketing idea or marketing hook that compels your audience, gets them excited, engages in your marketing campaign and clicks on your ads, and ultimately builds buying desire for your products and services. So what I'm going to do in a minute is I'm just going to give you a really powerful tip of how you can create a compelling marketing hook and introduce a new idea into your market. But before I do that, I'm just going to tell you a little story to emphasize how powerful getting the right marketing hook is. So you might have heard of Beachbody before. About 7 or 8 years ago, they released the P90X fitness program into the market. Initially, I spent a couple of $100,000 on paid advertising, and their marketing campaign bombed for the workout video. They rewrote their promotion multiple times, and for whatever reason, people just weren't digging it. So what they did, they went back to the drawing board and they came up with a new marketing hook. And in that marketing hook or big marketing idea, they introduced a new idea to the market, which was called muscle confusion, which delivers the big promise that the program was going to make them. And basically, once they introduced this new marketing hook in their marketing campaigns, their paid advertising and marketing campaigns absolutely took off. And within a couple of years, they'd sold over $1 billion worth of P90X workout DVDs. And the reason why they managed to turn their paid advertising campaigns around was because they introduced a new marketing hook and a new idea into the market, which was muscle confusion. So that is how powerful getting the right marketing hook and big marketing idea can be for the success of your paid advertising campaigns, your marketing funnel, and your entire marketing campaign. So basically what I'm going to do now is to just give you a really powerful tip of how you can create a compelling big marketing idea and marketing hook for your paid advertising campaign and marketing funnel. And the quickest way to introduce a new idea into the market is to introduce something called the unique element in your marketing hook or big marketing idea. Now, the unique element is merely the piece, part, ingredient of your product or service that delivers the result. So in its most simplistic forms, what I would do is take out the piece or part of your product or service that delivers a big result, give it a proprietary name, and then introduce that into your big marketing idea or marketing hook. Because what this is going to do, it's going to introduce something to the market that your prospects haven't seen before. It's going to get them engaged, it's going to get them excited, and it's going to create buying desire for your products or services, because you're introducing a more sophisticated promise of transformation to the market. People haven't seen it before, so it's going to give them hope that for this time, with your product or service, they can achieve a big result that you are promising them. And I think this is one of the key ways of creating compelling big marketing idea and marketing hook for your paid advertising campaigns and your marketing funnels, is introducing a unique element, a new idea into the market that's going to captivate your market, get them engaged, get them excited, build buying desire for your products and services, and hence, as a result, you'll be able to consistently and predictably generate new customer sales every single day from your paid advertising campaign. So I hope you really like this video. Start creating compelling marketing hooks and big marketing ideas for your paid advertising campaigns using unique elements, and I'll guarantee you're going to see more consistent sales as a result. So I'll speak to you guys later.